Hey guys, what's going on? It's QofftheQ here. Just going to give you a quick update and talk about this week's vlog. So, I went into Manhattan, skated a little bit, went to a few different parks, Tribeca, LES, and then Tompkins. And then we just went back and went to Brooklyn. We had like a little tiny bonfire, which was fun. And then shortly thereafter, I went to a concert to shoot some video with my friend. The most important part about this video is at the end is really the showcase here. A good buddy of mine who I will link all the information to. His name is Chris Stath Music, or Chris Stath Music, and he did some DJing, and I got some great clips of it. So I think you guys will really enjoy that. I'm on my way out to New Jersey, so next week's vlog is going to be in New Jersey, away from the city. So if you guys are looking forward to that, that'll be good. And yeah, it's good. I need to work on basically talking to the camera and talking you guys through the vlogs better, instead of just doing it beforehand and explaining what happens. So just something to work on, but this is a great episode. I know you guys will enjoy, so without further ado, here it is.
Why are you telling me these lies?
Dad, she's out there and she'll be dead soon if you don't listen to me. She's out there singing. It's a little song like...
What's up guys, it's QofftheQ. We're about to hit an adventure, and my buddy over here, right there,
You already know.
caught you slipping because he didn't tie.
Who's slipping? You slipping in the whipping.
He didn't tie his chicken up.
He's slipping in the whipping.
Got to keep that cold. Got to keep it warm. I'm about to fucking get it.
It's free. Don't about to get it. It's free. It's free.
You got a nice steady hit.
They'd be rushing because they're
That's
like,
crazy.
'cause we're like, yo, we're quality.
That's crazy.
We gotta serve it quality.
That's so fast.
I know. But you gotta spend bread. Like the burger's 20 something. You feel me?
That's 3